Are you still relying on traditional chatbots and live chat support? Do you find it challenging to provide 24/7 customer support due to limited resources or different time zones? And what about your extensive documentation? Does finding specific answers feel like a time-consuming task? Introducing AI ChatGPT Chatbot, one-of-a-kind WordPress plugin that will transform how you engage with your customers. AI ChatGPT Chatbot learns your website content and data. It answers questions from your website content just like a support specialist. What makes AI ChatGPT Chatbot stand out from the rest? It's simple. The difference is that this support specialist responds faster than ever, assists website visitors 24/7, learns large amounts of data about your product in several minutes. What makes AI ChatGPT Chatbot truly unique is its ability to learn from your website's content, such as product features, blogs, directories, documentation, pricing lists, etc. It goes beyond simple keyword matching. Instead, it generates unique, structured text, offering human-like and easy-to-understand information. Delivers personalized answers without copy-pasting existing content. Besides, AI ChatGPT Chatbot will help to get answers to any other general question, just like ChatGPT. Say hello to the future of customer support. AI ChatGPT Chatbot, your website's ultimate support specialist.